I'm Teresa and this is Helen.
Hi.
We're here to talk to you about our workshop bundle today. So Helen, let's talk about the workshop bundle.
Yes, well, the workshop bundle I developed for groups and schools that wanted to do fundraisers but have access to their own plant material. And what it consists of is a large big yellow bag of our soil cubed humus compost and 50 of these fabulous number 5 root pouches.
Okay, so what is in the compost?
Well, the compost is OMRI listed. It's all natural. We actually make it ourselves with 3 simple ingredients, and it's full of nutrients, and plants absolutely love it. Everything grows in soil cubed.
It does, really. and what about these pouches? What is this made of?
The root pouches are made out of recycled water bottles. And they are breathable, so they're very good for the root system for your plants. But they do allow excess moisture to drain out. So if you're going to place it indoors, I would definitely recommend putting it on a saucer. Yes.
But it's fantastic, and the handles are great and very movable.
Yes, isn't it just? It's very portable, so you know, and even when it's full, it's not very heavy, so you can take it and move it around the sunshine if you're chasing the sunshine, or you can bring it indoors if you're getting a cold snap, or you know, you can keep it indoors.
Absolutely. So what would this be good for? Are there certain groups that marketing towards, or just it for any?
Yeah, I mean, like I mentioned, it's really great for schools or groups that want to do a fundraiser and maybe have access to their own plant materials. And it also allows you to extend your selling period. Instead of doing it in the traditional way of having a 2-week sale period, you can sell over consecutive weeks or consecutive months, and you just plant them up as you go.
Or gardening groups. I see this being good for all sorts of things.
Perfect for a workshop, right?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Absolutely. And how would we get these? Can you order these? What's the
Absolutely. We have them online. You can order online. Delivery is included. You just place your order and we'll ship them to you.
Absolutely. Okay, the workshop bundle.